The purpose of this video is to demonstrate to the Wolf user how to create a relation between two entities. Let us say that we want to establish a relation between the student and the leave details entity. The student entity contains three fields inside it: the roll number, the student name, and the student age. Similarly, the leave details entity contains three fields: the from date, the to date, and the leave commence. By establishing a relation between the student entity and the leave details entity, we can access the fields of the leave details entity from the student entity. Therefore, we treat the student entity as the master entity and the leave details entity as the child entity. We expand the leave details entity and establish a relation with the student entity. Remember to save and publish after making any changes. To make the fields of the leave details entity accessible in the student entity, we need to create a master details section in the edit screen of the student entity. We create a new master details section in the tab of the edit screen. And we reference this master details section to the leave details entity. We can then start accessing the fields of the child entity as a part of the master entity. Choose the fields of the leave details entity which you wish to access as a part of the student entity. Remember to save and publish after making any changes. Let us run the application to see the changes. After logging in, proceed to the edit screen of the student entity. As we can see, the fields of the child entity are now accessible as a part of the master entity.